The new ECHO X Series battery chainsaw. The best power-to-weight ratio in its class. ECHO X Series DCS-3500. Performance comparable to a 35 to 40 cubic centimeter petrol engine chainsaw. The longest run time and the fastest cutting speed in its class. Spike for better control when cutting. High durability roller type chain catcher. Toolless cap opening for easy oil refilling. Translucent oil tank for easy level checking. Superior cutting performance ensures increased productivity. Best-in-class battery chainsaw for the professional. ECHO X Series DCS-3500.